everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to take apart one of the most useful tools for breastfeeding moms, a manual breast pump. In this video, I will show you how it is organized and how to use it properly. This is the breast pump and one of
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Listen that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time. You're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell,
When the decanting is complete, carefully disconnect the device, close the bottle with the lid, and send it to the refrigerator. 50 minutes to be cold. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.